everyone, I'm Neva Cochran, a registered dietitian nutritionist in Dallas, Texas. I just started a new partnership with Grass Run Farms to let people know about their 100% grass-fed and grass-finished beef products. Grass Run Farms is a collaboration of family farmers in the Midwest committed to producing beef in a healthy and tranquil environment. And guess what? I just received a box from them today, and I'm excited to open and share with you some of their great products. So let's dig in. The first thing I see is a flat iron steak. Flat iron is great, cooked in a skillet and then sliced up and served on a big salad. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, here is a top sirloin. Top sirloin is one of my favorites, cooked on the grill and served with a baked potato and broccoli. What else? Oh, they also have ground beef. Ground beef is great in tacos, spaghetti, or in hamburgers. Oh my gosh, and there's one more thing. It's a chuck roast. This brings back memories of childhood. My mother made a pot roast frequently on Sundays for our dinner. I think I'll make this one in my crock pot. I'm a big fan of beef because it's delicious, nutritious, and delivers a variety of health benefits. Not only does it provide high-quality protein, but also 9 essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, zinc, and several B vitamins. And even better news is 38 cuts of beef qualify for the government guideline of lean. You can read more about beef's nutrition and health benefits and even get some preparation ideas in my blog on the Grass Run Farms website. And you can actually have Grass Run Farms beef delivered right to your home. In partnership with Market House, you can go to their website at grassrunfarms.com, place your order, and it will be sent to you and arrive right on your doorstep.